and did you write the question? This table?
Yes.
Yes. And you know how to draw a bar graph? How to draw a bar graph? Isn't it, children? So you should write a scale here, right side top. Right side top, you have to write a scale, that is y-axis. Scale is needed because y-axis 1 unit equal to 10 seats. A scale is needed. Okay. Do you have the graph paper with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do one thing. You write this question. Write this question. And draw the bar graph later as a homework. A homework. Will you do it? Will you do it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So after writing the question, you have to draw this bar graph. Clear? Because from 5th standard onwards, we are drawing the bar graph. 5th we did, 6th also we did, 7th we did in different way, double bar graph. 8th also we had done the bar graph. Isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So here only one question is enough. And next, I'll give 2 questions, one bar graph and other is histogram. So what is this? What is the difference between a bar graph and a histogram? Can anybody tell? Hello, turn on the videos. What is the difference between a bar graph and a histogram? Somebody please unmute and tell.
Some bar graphs have equal space between them.
Bar graphs have
And
equal
histogram
space.
doesn't.
Yes, yes. And what about histogram?
They doesn't have
Yes, yes. Then
any spacing.
it is connected to each other. It is connected to each other. Okay, children. Now look at this question. Just now we did. The question is like this. Each one A and corresponding to one frequency. B and one frequency corresponding to it. So we have to draw a bar graph with individual frequencies. Okay. And I'll show one histogram to you. See, children, this is a question of the histogram. Can you see this?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Class interval. Just check the class interval. One is 0 to 10. Clear? It is interval. Histogram, there is no individual points, individual observations. It's all intervals. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. That means the ending point and the starting point is same. Clear, children?
Yes.
Yes,
So it
ma'am.
is connected. It is connected. 10 and 10 is connected. 20 and 20 is connected. Clear, children? So
Yeah.
when you draw a histogram,
Your screen shows.
hello? Somebody is asking me something.
I'm
I
asking.
can't see screen.
He cannot see the screen.
Ma'am. No, ma'am. Saying
Nobody can see.
start screen sharing.
Eh? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Yes, ma'am. We can see.
Ashik, wait, Ashik. It will, you can see it, wait. Okay, children. So this is the interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20. All intervals are connected. Like that, our histogram is also connected. Clear, children? So 0 to 10 it connected to y-axis. There is a rectangle. Next one, 10 is connected to 20, 10, 20. Next one is 20, 30. Did you see that? All
Yes.
are connected, all are connected. So this is known as a histogram. All are connected to each other like buildings. Okay. So you can write the next heading as histogram and histogram, and question is draw a histogram for the following data. Draw a histogram for the following data. Following data. Draw a histogram for the following data. Write the question, children. Did you write the question, all of you?
No, ma'am.
Question only, don't draw the graph. Only question. Only question, okay?
Ma'am, can you show one more time?
Yes, yes. Only question, children. And this is also a homework to you. Draw the histogram later. Because histogram you have studied in small last year, I think in 8th standard. Isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So this also you can do as a homework. So total there are 2 graphs. What are the homeworks, 2 graphs? Tell me. What is the first one? Yes? What is the first one? Tell Adulya.
Bar
First
graph.
one is bar graph. Second one?
Second one histogram.
Histogram. You can do it.
Histogram.
Okay, yes, histogram. So these are the 2 questions. Now children, now I will show one important thing. Difference between a bar graph and a histogram. Difference between a bar graph and a histogram. Okay, children. I hope you can see this. Difference between a bar graph and a histogram. Can you see both?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So there is left side there is a bar graph and right side there is a histogram. Clear, children? So in bar graph, what is the speciality in bar graph? In bar graph, can you read it? What is the first one?
And they have equal space.
Bars have equal space. You know it. Isn't it? Bars have equal space. And listening, children, listen. On the y-axis, we have numbers, and on the x-axis, we have data, which can be anything. Okay. On the y-axis, we have numbers. Numbers on the y-axis. And on the x-axis, we have data. Class 5, class 6, class 7, class 8, class 9, like that. Can be anything. Clear, children? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is there in a histogram? In a histogram, bars are
fixed.
fixed and you can write and connected also. Bars are fixed and connected. And on the y-axis, we have numbers, same. But on the x-axis, we have data which is continuous and will always be number. Which is continuous number. That is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, like that, continuous. Okay, children, you can write this. These are the differences between a bar graph and a histogram. You can write in your notes. Difference between bar graph and histogram. Two difference. Okay. Shall we move to the next one?
Now finished.
Don't draw it. Just write the specialities, only that. Bar graph and histogram. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm not finished.
Ma'am did not finish.
Children, here today we have remedial class. Okay. Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
And your time starts at 6:40. 6:40. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
At what time? At what time?
6:40.
6:40. Your class at 6:40. 6:40 to 7:15. 7:15, I think. 6:40 to 7:15. First batch. Roll number 1 to 15. Okay. And 7:15 to 7:50. Roll number 16 to remaining students. Till the end. Did you see the timing? Did you see the timing, children?
Yeah.
Okay. So join. Okay, children. I hope you have written it. And children, listen.
Ma'am,
Yes, 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 yes. What is this, Ashik? You are not writing properly. Eh? Okay, children. It has gone. Okay. Did you finish it? I told only to write it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then, next, bar graph, histogram. And look at here. Okay, children, wait. I'll show one question. See, children. See, histograms. Listen, all of you. Listen, histogram, we should connect histogram to the y-axis, that is 0, y-axis, 0 to 10. 0 to 10 or 0 to 100, it starts from 0. It should start from 0. But some cases, it will not start. It starts from some other data. It is not continuous. I'll show this. Look at here. Children, if this question starts from 300. Can you see this? This question starts from 300. It does not start from 0 to 100. And the difference is 100. The width is 100. So there are two, three values are missing. That means 0 to 100 is missing. 100 to 200 is missing. And 200 to 300 is missing. These values are not there. It is not there. Okay. So when you draw a histogram, can you connect it to the y-axis? Can you connect? Yes or no?
Yes, by 18. Yes, ma'am.
No, you cannot connect because it starts from 300. And the difference is 400. See, difference is 100 only. These values are missing, isn't it, children? 0 to 100, 100 to 200, and 200 to 300 is not there in this. Is it there? Is it continuous?
No, ma'am.
So in that case, what you will do? There are some missing numbers. From 0 to 300, there are some missing numbers. Isn't it? So in that case, we'll do one thing. Here, is it like that? Just look at this class interval. Here, is it like that?
No, ma'am.
Because it is 0 to 10, 10 to 20. Properly, it connected to each other, 0 onwards. Isn't it? But this case, it is not like that. It starts from 300. So in that case, what will you do? Do you remember this sign?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Do you remember this sign?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This sign is known as kink or a jagged line. Jagged line or kink. Kink means there is a jerk over the y-axis because that x-axis shows that x-axis, the values are not continuous. Value is not continuous. Clear, children? So you have to draw x-axis and like this there should be a broken line. It connects that, it tells us that there is no continuation in between, there is no continuation and in between there is a broken line. Okay. There is a break in the x-axis in the data. Clear, children? And that is a jagged line and it is known as a kink also. Clear? Clear, children? So in this case, we cannot connect it to the y-axis. Here there is a gap. It shows that there is a gap here. Can you see a gap between the bars? Isn't it, children? And look at here. 6, 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. All these are connected. One interval each. But here, from 0 to 6, there is a long gap. How many numbers are missing there? How many numbers are missing?
One
Five
number.
numbers. Five numbers are missing. So there is a jagged line. There should be a jagged line. I hope you understood. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
And listen, children, I used to see some children will draw like this. Like this. This is wrong. This one is wrong. Okay. What is proper? You have to draw it like this. Connection. There is a connection like our some when ECG is taking. You can see now some graphs like this. ECG, heart,
Yes, ma'am. Frequency
Ah.
graph.
frequency graphs. So like that, you should draw like that. It is connection like this. There should be a connected line like this. Clear? Clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I will give a question for you. Will you do it?
Can you please explain again?
Yes. Sorry, I did not hear. Sorry.
Can you explain again?
Yes, Ashik.
Can you please explain
Ashik,
again?
there is no connection between it. It will not start from zero. That you have to see. It will not start from zero. Okay. So you have to give a sign like this. Did you understand, Ashik? It will not start from zero. And
Yes, ma'am.
this is the question. Just look at the question. Can you draw the histogram for this? So this is the third question for you. Histogram. Write this question and start drawing fast. Aaron came. Children, I'll read the absentees' names. Just respond if anyone is present. Okay. It is Ananda Krishna, Arun Bhaskar, then Fagad Sheikh, Joel, Jesslyn present. Jesslyn was present in the previous class. Jesslyn, then only that much.
Ma'am, can you show the question one more time?
Yes?
Can you show the slide one more time?
Yes, you are not writing the question. Write in your notes the question. Okay. Children, you know my personal ID and passcode, right?
No, ma'am.
I'll send it.
English.
Ma'am, your personal.
Yes?
Can you please
You need the question again. Ashik, you are looking at the question and drawing the histogram. Write the question, Ashik, fast.
Ma'am, due to network issues, my screen
Yes, Ashik, I understood. Okay. Okay, children. So, will you do it and come for the next class?
Yes, ma'am.
So, there is a bar graph and there are two histogram. One is normal histogram and second one is a king. There is a king between the y-axis, sorry, x-axis. Okay, children. So, there should be three graphs. You have to show me. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to cut and paste the graph in your notes. Okay. Don't pile up the works. You do it properly. Okay, children. Shall I wind up the class now?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.